beautiful people. Welcome to a very special episode of Soul to Soul Gupshup with Disha. It's been a long time that we have done our Gupshups, no? So today I'm here with a very special topic which is very close to my soul, and already I have chosen a place to sit which is also very special. Here I am right in the best part of the Disha hub, and this is the Disha Kutir. So let me just give you a glimpse of the Disha Kutir. So this is the place, that is our Buddha ji, and this is the place where we all sit, we meditate, we do our journeys, we do our inner work, we do our intensives and all our workshops. This is a place that you need to experience. A lot of divine realms work from this place. It's a workstation for the divine realms. I'm not just saying that, I've experienced it, and you need to sit here and experience that yourself. So getting back to our special topic of the day, that is the soul legacy, the signature intensive that happens very much in this Disha Kutir. And when I say soul legacy, there's just one old proverb that comes to my mind, and that is, give a man a fish and you will feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you will feed him for a lifetime. And this is exactly what happens in our soul legacy over here. And once you are on the journey of the legacy of your soul, it is a lot of food for your lifetimes. Seriously. I'm sure many of you are thinking, is that possible in just 4 days? It's been years that I'm meditating, practicing my dhyanas, activating my chakras, practicing all my healings extensively. And this lady here, she says, the Soul Legacy Intensive will make a shift in just 4 days? Next to impossible. Hai na? This is what you are thinking right now, isn't it? So let me not get into that aggressive marketing mode, or trying to sell something kind of a mode to you. Soul legacy se ye hoga, soul legacy se wo falana hoga, dhimka hoga. No. This is no video for that. It's just a simple connect between us, you, me and Disha. We will just take you into the awareness mode on right now. That's it. As simple. And let's do it the Disha way. Just breathe in and breathe out. And just be with me for a few minutes and answer these questions, not to anybody else, but to your own self. Okay? So tell me, have life situations become over challenging? Has the universe become all deaf and you think that it's just your voice that the universe cannot listen to? Do you feel that you simply cannot meditate? Do you feel you're almost on the edge? Do you feel you don't belong to this earth? A complete, not at all home kind of a feeling? Do you feel disconnected from your near and dear ones? Disassociated types? Do you see repetitive numbers, alphabets, words, colors? Do you keep getting a lot of feathers? Do you feel a presence sort of around you? Do you feel you see somebody from the corner of your eye? Do you get repetitive, alarming dreams? Do you have that tingling kind of a sensation in your third eye? Do you have a strange sort of a calling that you need to just have a shift in your life? And do you badly want to just climb over all those boundaries? Just go that side, on the other side, beyond, and see this and many more. These are just a bunch of life situations I listed here. There will be more to define your soul calling. Soul legacy is the right place for you to be in, people, with all these questions in your mind. These 4 days will help you hack all the data your soul memory card has been carrying for so many lifetimes, and get the answers to all these situations and more, much more. Your soul data could be anything, your past life experiences, your past connections, the gifts you are born with, and the master plan of this lifetime situations. Anything. And more than anything, the direct access to your masters, your gurus, your angels, your ancestral spirit guides, your power animals, your entire spiritual army 24/7. Your spiritual army will be the ones to actually get that balance in your life and take you to a very non-judgmental kind of a place. They will help you to be very stable there and in your life. They will just simplify life for you. After all, sorted out life, that is all what we all want, right? And this is possible only if you have a spiritual army connect. They will help you break all the barriers which are limiting your soul. Always you wanted to do and you've not been able to do. They will put you onto your soul purpose. Believe me, nothing else can be as peaceful than getting onto your soul journey with that divine hand holding you so tight. I've experienced it. There in that space, it's just bliss. Yes, not just happiness, it's bliss. So come, let me take you all to the La La Land that I belong to. I'm sure you will love it and will never want to come out from that space. If you have been watching this video up to now, then I should say your divine time, your soul's Brahma Muhurtam has started. Apna time aayega types. The Soul Legacy Intensive happens only in Disha Kutir in Navi Mumbai, India. This intensive never can happen online. Never ever. It's right here in this place where I'm sitting. And if you want to experience, you have to come here. For people coming from outside Mumbai, we have arrangements where you can stay here, put up for 4 days and attend this 4 days intensive. So see you all in this spiritual DNA shift to hack your own souls and to have the first ever meeting with the real you. Are you ready for that? For more information about the Soul Legacy Intensive with Disha, do log on to our website www.dishalifesolutions.com, or you can just call us on 93216-72186. So come, let's hack your souls. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed and stay happy. Hari Om, Datta Guru.